Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to analyze forecast next week gold forecast for you next week gold trading. So my Telegram link is below. You can join with and make good profit from the gold trading. So last week also we made good profit from the gold trading. This is the forward chart gold technically picture. So this last week gold created new all-time high 3790. So again last Friday price reached to the 2780-85 area. So this can be a double top on next week. Let's see what will happen on next week gold trading. This is the nearest support area 3730. Price can break out this support retest. That is your sell opportunity. So wait for the price action and breakout with the just the technical picture. So breakout to the above side to 3790 breakout. 3800 is the psychological level target. It's just a technical with the forward chart. So I am going to the monthly chart goal. You can see this year January to September. So this 9 months, this January month candle. So gold price still demand is still bullish, is still bias and control because of Donald Trump president from January. He is applying again tariff applies to countries. So more tariffs the gold demands. So recently last week also applied to more tariff to the countries. So you can see the daily chart. This last week Friday daily candle still bullish candle, still bias is strong with the again tariff applied to the new tariff to the countries. Sorry, so gold price pushed to the upside with the trade war tariff applies to the countries. That's the market geopolitical uncertainty with the gold price demand. This is the Fed watch tool website is the interesting this their next FOMC meeting, October FOMC meeting. You can see rate cutoff. So 87% forecast to 25 bps cutoff, and this rate cutoff price into the market that will also help to gold price push to the upside. So interesting there is the 12% forecast to rate pause. So next week this rate pause forecast increase to 20%, 25%, 30% like that. That will help to go dollar demand. So next FOMC meeting rate hold that will help to dollar demand and can be goal some retracement to the downside. So you should touch with the what is the rate cut forecast on what is the price in rate cut in next weeks if you touch with it if you are trading gold. So next week important economic events is the labor market. So last month also labor market risks that was helped to gold price push to the upside. So you can see this is the weekly chart. So this month first week this is the strong bullish candles. You can see that will is the more helpful to bullish candles to labor market risks on last month. This is the this month first week candle. So labor market is the next week also important labor market economic data. So last month labor market negative for US dollar. So Fed forecast the unemployment rate 4.3% and the non-farm employment change increase forecast average hourly earnings 0.3%. So positive labor market data next week that will help to dollar demand, dollar strength and gold some retracement to the downside. So next week Friday is the more important volatile day, volume day in the next week. So you should touch with the economic data. Labor market data is the next week important for gold trading. So FX Street website mentions so gold stalls below record high as softer dollar and tariff concern lend support. So still more tariffs to the countries and the geopolitical uncertainty is there. So remember gold is the safe haven asset. So last week Friday PC price index, PC personal consumption expenditure price index dropped to the 0.3% to 0.2%. That will help to gold demand on last Friday. This is the daily chart trend line with the technically setup. So you can see price is still in this uptrend. So break out this trend line retest, that your sell opportunity with the technically set up with the daily chart. So that's the important thing. So you should wait for the price action, you should wait for the breakout to trend line to get the trade and get the confirmation with the fundamental setup also before the get the trade. So this is the 4-hour chart. You can see 4-hour chart, this is the support line. I was mentioned this support level 3730 and the below support level 3700. So price can be support two levels this. So these two levels important, this left side resistance can be become support in right side. These two levels important next week gold trading 3730 plus support level, 3700 is the next support level. These levels are more important with the next week gold trading. So break out these levels, so that is your sell opportunity in next week gold trading. So below is the next support level 3650 60 level. That's the next support level with the technically set up with the 4-hour chart technically picture. So I am going to the 1-hour chart. This is the 1-hour chart. So this has a triangle pattern. So this pattern break out to the upside. You can see this is the 1-hour chart. This triangle pattern break out to the upside last week Friday. So this is the pattern, triangle pattern. So price break out to the upper side so last week. So now can be retest this area. So like this is the retest, this is the breakout area. So price can be retest this area. So this is the retest area 3730, the 25 area. This area price not pushed to the upside, that can be not buy opportunity. So wait for this area's price action next week. So gold trading. So now this pattern breakout with the 1-hour chart, but you should wait for the price action in the retest area. So that's the next week. More important things are you should forecast touch with the rate cutoff, how rate cutoff price into the market, and the labor market is the more important with the US dollar next week gold trading. So thank you very much.